What's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here. Chances are you're watching this because you're researching what is high-ticket affiliate marketing. Maybe you've heard about this. Maybe you have been doing regular affiliate marketing for a while and now this is kind of interesting you and you're doing your research. Well, you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what high-ticket affiliate marketing is, how it works, and then how you can start to do it successfully and really create these big ticket commissions in as little time and effort as possible. So if you're interested in that, my friend, and you never want to miss out on my latest videos where I break down more affiliate marketing training, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest videos. And also, if you want my A to Z #1 recommended affiliate marketing high ticket business system to check out so you can implement what I'm about to teach, feel free to click that first link below at any time in this video. So without further ado, my friend, what is high ticket affiliate marketing? Well, in order to understand what high ticket affiliate marketing is, you first have to understand what affiliate marketing is, okay? Now, what affiliate marketing is basically where you don't have to create the products, you don't have to create the sales pages, you don't have to create any of the following up, and what you can do is actually find products online, okay, sites like clickbank.com, sites like JVZoo, and you can actually find products that other people have created in a ton of different interests, like dog training, making money online, health and fitness, and you can actually find those products, promote those, and recommend those to other people, and when they buy that product through your customized affiliate link, you actually make a portion of that money as a commission, as a reward for doing the work of promoting it. Okay, now that's basic affiliate marketing. Now, on average, most affiliate marketing products that aren't high ticket are gonna range anywhere from, $25 all the way up to about $200, okay? And you may make, anywhere from 10% to 50% of that money. So the reason, and you may be actually relating to this in this video, the reason a lot of people get turned on when it comes to a high ticket affiliate marketing and they start to research it is because they're kind of tired of getting these tiny little payouts, right? To share a quick story with you, when I first got started online, I was doing a lot of low ticket affiliate marketing. I'd go to sites like ClickBank, I'd promote these products that would only pay out maybe $20 a sale, and I had a goal of $10,000 a month. So for me to make $10,000 a month with just $20 a sale took incredible work, an incredible amount of time and effort. But once I started to realize that you could actually promote products that paid out a lot more, that paid you a higher price point, everything changed for me, and that's why I'm so excited to actually teach this for you as well, okay? So what you have to realize, high ticket products usually cost between $250 and up, okay? And they go all the way up, in some cases to $20,000, okay? That you can actually make a portion of money on, okay? You may not be able to see that, but basically what you have to realize is these products, again, you're not going to have to make that many sales. The beauty of high ticket affiliate marketing is when you go and promote a product that costs, let's say, $500 and someone buys that, you could make, let's say, 50% of that, okay? So $250 with one sale. So just imagine how much easier it will be to hit an income goal of, let's say, $10,000 a month with just a few of these high ticket sales versus tons of other low ticket sales. Okay, so that's really what high ticket affiliate marketing is. It's basically promoting products that are over about $250 or more and earning based on that. Now, I want to overcome an objection that a lot of people have when it comes to high ticket affiliate marketing, and you may actually be thinking this too, and that is, okay, Garrett, this makes sense. I understand that I'm promoting products that are higher priced. I'll be able to make more, but isn't it harder? Right? Isn't it harder to actually sell a product that's $500 versus a product that's $20? And I actually want to share the kind of shocking information with you, and that is that it's not actually more difficult. Okay, in fact, in a lot of ways, it's actually easier when you understand what I'm about to share with you. So what you have to realize is that online, okay, if you're marketing online, you can do offline marketing and passing out flyers and things like that, but online is going to be a lot more faster and easier to really start to make sales with affiliate marketing. If you're basically doing online, what you have to realize is, let's say Facebook, for example. Okay, Facebook has billions of users. okay? Billions of people that are on Facebook. And again, you may not be able to see that, but Facebook has billions of people. So the beauty of affiliate marketing or high ticket affiliate marketing or marketing in general is we can actually find and target specific people that meet a certain criteria on these websites like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. So you don't have to go after people that can't afford the high ticket products you're promoting. You can literally find people where investing $1,000 into a business is a no-brainer. There's millions of people out there that are making a high income that $1,000 for a business compared to a brick and mortar McDonald's, that may cost $1 million to invest, okay, is a no-brainer. So what you want to do is realize that it's not actually more difficult. In fact, what you'll kind of find, which is pretty funny, is if you go to try to sell a $20 product to someone that's a lot of money to them, you'll actually get, usually on average, way more objections from people that you're trying to sell a $20 product to than trying to sell a $1,000 product. And the reason is the mindset. People that, it's hard to afford a $20 product have a pretty not great mindset, and that's why they're not making, that's why they're struggling with money. So if you approach people that, $1,000 is not a big deal, they already have the right mindset. They're already business minded. They're already understand that they need to invest in themselves. So it's going to be a much easier sell, and you may only get 1 or 2 questions, where if you try to sell a $20 product to someone that doesn't have $20, you're going to get question after question after question. And I've dealt with that promoting things over the years, and it's absolutely incredible. So again, what you have to realize is it's not any harder. You want to just start to find people that already are looking for the product you're promoting, that have money. And then when you recommend them using the certain strategies that I'll continue to share on this channel, you're going to find that making those sales and making those commissions and the amount of income you truly want month to month is going to be a lot easier. So I hope you enjoyed this video, my friend. I'm going to get into more detail as I continue to post videos on this channel. So again, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope this answered what is high ticket affiliate marketing. Again, it's just like regular affiliate marketing, but you can make a lot more money with a lot less work, and also realize it's not any more difficult. In fact, in many cases, you're actually going to deal with a lot less objection and a lot less pain because you're dealing with a higher quality person. So I hope you enjoyed this video, my friend. If you're watching this though and you want access to my #1 recommended affiliate marketing system that actually comes built in with tons of high ticket affiliate marketing products that you can actually just start promoting and earn these commissions, and you actually get paid 100% of the money, which allows you to hit your income goals in record-breaking speed, click that first link below and check that out. Anyway, my friend, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.